Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meitu app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Meitu app and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.